So, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, everyone. Welcome to Spoken English by Sambhav Jain. I am Sambhav Jain, Spoken English trainer and tutor. So today we are continuing our series, Use Your Brain series. It's part 2. Okay. Yesterday we have completed part 1 of speaking series, 1 minute speaking series. So I am just telling the name. Those students qualify: Shivans, यशराज, श्रेय, आयुष, तेजल, पूर्वी, कृष्टि and Ishika. So these boys and girls are qualified first round, and actually we will decide the result after completion of all rounds. Okay, so this is our round 2 part 2 writing round. Okay, I will dictate 100 words on any topic. Okay, so you have to write and I will check on live. Okay, just I will not repeat the sentence and I will not tell the spelling of the sentence. Okay, let's start. Are you ready for writing? Okay, and जो लोग ऑनलाइन देख रहे हैं वो भी, आप भी राइटिंग कीजिए, देन अपनी मिस्टेक्स को चेक कीजिए. आप भी मेरे साथ साथ एक नोटबुक लीजिए और एक पेन लीजिए और आप नोट डाउन करना स्टार्ट कीजिए. ऑनलाइन फॉर्मेट में भी आप इस कंपटीशन का, इस क्विज का मजा ले सकते हैं. और आपको लगता है कि आपको अपनी राइटिंग चेक करानी है तो हमारा सेम व्हाट्सएप नंबर है, वहां पे आप पुट कर सकते हैं, चैनल पे आपको मिल जाएगा. हमसे कांटेक्ट कर सकते हैं 7987946020. वहां पे आप अपनी राइटिंग चेक करा सकते हैं और ऑनलाइन स्पीकिंग क्लास के लिए कांटेक्ट कर सकते हैं. जो इस चैनल पर नए हैं तो चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर लें, और जो इस वीडियो को फर्स्ट टाइम देख रहे हैं तो इसके पहले वाला पार्ट 1 भी देख लें, यूज योर ब्रेन सीरीज. ओके, काफी ज्यादा इंटरेस्टिंग सीरीज रहने वाली है ये. तो मैं आप लोगों को 100 वर्ड्स का एक पैराग्राफ डिक्टेट करूंगा, देन आपको राइट करना है, देन मैं 1 बाय 1 बुला के आपको लाइव चेक करने वाला हूं. ओके, तो नेक्स्ट हम स्टार्ट करते हैं हमारा पैराग्राफ. स्टार्ट नाउ. इंडिया इज अ लैंड ऑफ वेरियस कल्चर्स. मैं 2 से 3 टाइम्स एक लाइन को रिपीट करूंगा. आपको ध्यान देना है अपने पंक्चुएशन मार्क्स का, कहां फुल स्टॉप, कहां कॉमा आएगा. ठीक है, राइटिंग राउंड है ये आपका. ठीक है. इंडिया इज अ लैंड ऑफ various cultures and a rich heritage. एक बार फिर से रिपीट करूंगा. इंडिया इज अ लैंड ऑफ वेरियस कल्चर्स एंड अ रिच हेरिटेज. ओके, इंडिया इज अ लैंड ऑफ वेरियस कल्चर्स एंड अ रिच हेरिटेज. नेक्स्ट, इट इज 7th largest country. It is 7th largest country by area. It is 7th largest country by area and second most populous country globally. And the second most populous country globally. And the second most populous country globally. Full stop. नेक्स्ट आपका सेंटेंस है, द पीकॉक इज इंडियाज नेशनल बर्ड. द पीकॉक इज इंडियाज नेशनल बर्ड. गलती से मैंने एक पंक्चुएशन मार्क्स बोल दिया. द पीकॉक इज इंडियाज नेशनल बर्ड एंड द बंगाल टाइगर इज द and the Bengal tiger is the country's national animal. Country's national animal. Country's national animal. Next, the national song is named Vande Mataram. The national song is named Vande Mataram. इसके लिए ब्रैकेट यूज करेंगे. रिटन बाय बंकिम चंद्र चटर्जी. रिटन बाय बंकिम चंद्र चटर्जी. रिटन बाय बंकिम चंद्र चटर्जी. इसके बाद ब्रैकेट क्लोज हो जाएगा. द इंडियन नेशनल सॉन्ग वॉज. द इंडियन नेशनल सॉन्ग वॉज. हर्ष क्यों नहीं लिख रहे हो? The Indian national song was first performed. The Indian national song was first performed at the Indian national song was first performed at the Indian National Congress. At the Indian National Congress. Excuse me, I am repeating again. The Indian national song was first performed at the Indian National Congress in 1896. Jana Gana Mana. Jana Gana Mana, जिसको हम हिंदी में बोलते हैं जनगण मन. India's national anthem. India's national anthem is sung in 52 seconds. Is sung in 52 seconds. Is sung in 52 seconds. The national flag of India is named Tiranga. The national flag of India is named Tiranga, which is made up of three colors, which is made up of three colors: saffron, white and green. Saffron, white and green. With the Ashok Chakra, in navy blue in the center. With the Ashok Chakra in navy blue in the center. With the Ashok Chakra in navy blue in the center. Just stop. Your 100 words paragraph has completed now. Just stop the writing and I will check one by one. I will invite the student here and I will check one by one. Okay. First time I'm inviting Yashraj. Yashraj, please come here with your notebook and pen. Please, all the students submit your notebook here. Please, all the students, your time has stopped. Ayush, Shrey, please don't write anything. Your time has completed. Please submit your notebook here. Please submit. Girls, please submit. Tejal, submit. All the girls. Arnab, submit. Arnab, I will not check if you will not submit. Okay. Please submit fast. Okay. So first I am checking. Submit here on the desk. Okay. First I am checking the Yasraj notebook. Please keep silent. Okay. I am checking the Yasraj notebook. Okay. Just we are pausing and we are checking all the videos and just tell you the result. Actually, if means we will tell how many mistakes in their copy. Okay. So just you have to wait for the response. So now we are continuing our class. So finally we have checked the students notebook and so many students have performed good and performed not well. Actually so many students have so many mistakes like 10 mistakes, 15 mistakes, 20 mistakes. Actually I have dictated you only 100 words, but so many mistakes, so I am not satisfied with your writing round. For writing purpose we will take another round, just like I will give you a topic. So you have to write 100 words of that topic. Okay, for the next session. So first I'm inviting the students, means with their mistakes. Okay, first I'm is inviting Yashraj. Yashraj, please come on the stage. Yashraj, please come on the stage. So, how many mistakes have you done?
Sir, 11.
11. So, can you please tell me, means what common words have you mistaken?
Sir, the first word is populous, and second is Vankim, and third is Chandra, and fourth is Chatter, and fifth is Congress, and sixth is Tiranga, seventh is Saffron, and ninth is Jan, and Gun and Man.
Okay. So, Yasraj has done 10 plus mistakes. Okay. Next, I'm inviting Kush. So, Kush will tell you about, you have to tell the truth only. Okay. You are in front of camera, so you have to tell the truth only. So, Kush, means how many mistakes have you done?
Also 11.
11 and 12 mistakes. Okay. Just tell the words have you done.
Sir, I have not written the, and I have, and populous. Third is globally. Fourth is named, and Bankim Chandra Chatterjee, and eighth is Jan, and ninth is Man, and 10th is Navy, and 11 is Center.
So Kush has done 11 mistake. No issue. Next I am inviting Tejal. Tejal will tell you about how many mistakes has Tejal done.
So I have done. I have given the globally, Bengal, Bankim, Chatterjee, Tiranga, and it is the populous and national.
So how many mistakes have you done?
So I have not counted. 5, 6, 7, 8. The 8, 9.
8 or 9 mistakes Tejal done. Okay, next I am inviting Christy. So actually I am not satisfied with this round because so many students has done a lots of mistake.
Sir, my total mistakes are 9. So first one is globally, second is Vande, third one is Vankim and Chatterjee, and and then it is anthem, and then seconds. Then I have to write named. I wrote called, and after that center.
Okay. 9 mistakes has done. Next Ishika. Please, boys, please maintain the decorum of the class. How many mistakes have you done, Ishika?
I have done 9.
9 plus mistakes. 9 mistakes. Just tell the mistake.
I have done first I globally populated, and first Navy, center, and chatter.
So Ishika has done 9 mistakes in spellings. Next, inviting Arnav. Arnav. Actually, Arnav has not written completely. Okay. And how many mistakes have you done? Approx 20 plus.
No, sir.
Yes, tell.
Around 15.
Around 15. Okay. Tell the mistakes.
Like various. And I have left some words like the and have. Heritage populated. And that Bucky Chandra Chatterjee. And named. And my paragraph is left.
Okay. So actually, after these mistakes, I am finding you have to write more carefully. Okay? Because we are learning speaking, English speaking. So just we have to performing well in speaking, listening, writing, and both speaking, reading, writing, and listening. Okay. Next, I am writing Harsh. So how many mistakes have you done? Okay. Harsh has done 10 plus mistakes. I already know. Yes. Tell the mistake name.
Sir, agitated country. Bankim Chandra Chatterjee. And I don't write Vande Mataram, write in by.
Okay. Okay, no issue. Next, I am inviting Shamyak. Just you have to tell the your mistake name and how many mistakes have you done. Actually, this will show means how many careful you write.
So, sir, I have done 7 mistakes. First, heritage. Second, the. Third, countries. Fourth and fifth, Bankim Chandra Chatterjee. And fourth one is sang. And fifth one is second.
Next, I am inviting Purvi. So, Purvi, how many mistakes have you done? Tell the mistake name.
Heritage, populous, is Chatterjee, was navy blue.
Just you have to correct your mistake. Yes, Ray. Ayush.
11.
11 mistakes. Tell the mistake name jaldi.
Heritage, populous, globally, countries. I have left 6 words and this is chakra and that's it.
Okay, this is proved that actually you have to more careful on your writing. Means ये जो हम सेशन करा रहे हैं राइटिंग के लिए ये यूज योर ब्रेन सीरीज, इसमें आपको देखिए इस सीरीज की हेल्प से आप अपनी राइटिंग को, रीडिंग को, लिसनिंग को और जो आपकी स्पीकिंग है उसे इम्प्रूव कर सकते हो. देखिए आज आप मिस्टेक कर रहे हो, कल को यही मिस्टेक आपकी रियल लाइफ में नहीं होने वाली है. इसलिए मोर फोकस ऑन योर राइटिंग एज वेल एज स्पीकिंग. आयुष.
Sir, I have done a mistake in the name of area and I forgot to write the and the third mistake is that I forgot to
Tell the mistake name only.
sir, in India and in Vande Mataram is a country of in national song and the fifth in Bankim Chandra Chatterjee only in Bankim and the seventh one is in was and the eighth one is sung it was sung but eighth one is Tiranga and the ninth one is saffron and 10th one is and the 11th one is at and the 12th one is bottom.
Okay. So you have done 12 mistakes. Actually
12 to 15.
12 to 15. Actually you have to more take care of your writings.
17.
Okay, no issue. Just Harshit.
I made 10 mistake. Popular, Bankim Chatterjee and Jangan and Tiranga. 8 mistake and some of the words I forgot to write.
Okay, no issue. Next, Shivansh.
13-14 mistake.
13-14 mistake.
First heritage and second populars globally and India's apostrophe s wala and Bankim Chatterjee and Congress song and anthem and centers and navy.
Okay, no issue. We have done. Next, Sumit. How many mistakes have you done? 18. Okay, just go to your seat. So actually just please listen carefully all these students. You have done, mainly students done the mistake in the meaning of various. VARIOUS. Second one cultures, CULTURES. Third one heritage, HERITAGE. Next largest, LARGEST. Next populous, POPULUS. Next globally, GLOVALLY. Next Bengal, BENGAL. Next countries, apostrophe S. Next Vande Mataram, VANDEMATRAM. Next Bankim Chandra, VANKIM CHANDRA. Chatterjee, CHATTERJI. Okay. Next performed, PERFORMED. Next Congress, CONGRESS. नेक्स्ट जनगण मन. देखो जनगण मन आप हिंदी बोलते हो, आप कई सारे बच्चों ने यही लिखा हुआ है JANMANGAN. तो आपको क्या लिखना, जन गण मन, JNAGANA और MANA. इंग्लिश में अगर ए नहीं लगाएंगे तो क्या रह जाएगा, वर्ड हाफ हो जाएगा, वो आधा हो जाएगा. जैसे कि जो लेटर है वो आधा हो जाएगा. अब देखिए सेकंड्स में बहुत सारे बच्चों ने मिस्टेक की है. इसके बाद तिरंगा, TIRANGA. नेक्स्ट सैफरन, SAFFRON. नेक्स्ट अशोक चक्र, HOKCHAKRA। नेक्स्ट नेवी ब्लू NAVY। देखिए आप लोग सभी सभी इंग्लिश मीडियम स्टूडेंट्स हैं, इंग्लिश मीडियम स्टूडेंट्स मतलब स्कूल में पढ़ने वाले सभी स्टूडेंट्स, आप लोग से ये एक्सपेक्टेशन नहीं थी कि आप लोग इतनी सारी मिस्टेक करोगे, बट यू हैव टू टेक केयर ऑफ योर राइटिंग, अदरवाइज इट विल बी वेरी डिफिकल्ट फॉर यू। ओके, एक्चुअली एज वेल एज स्पीकिंग आपको राइटिंग पे भी बहुत ज़्यादा ध्यान देना है। और जो लोग ऑनलाइन भी इसको सुन के पैराग्राफ जिन लोगों ने लिखा हुआ है तो वो भी चेक कर सकते हैं कितनी सारी मिस्टेक हम लोग करते हैं। देखिए आपको एक अच्छी कम्युनिकेशन स्किल्स के लिए रीडिंग, राइटिंग, लिसनिंग एंड स्पीकिंग 4 पार्ट्स पे कमांड बनानी पड़ेगी। तो ये हमारा राउंड सेकेंड इसका कंप्लीट होता है। मेनली हमारी साइड से इसमें कोई भी स्टूडेंट्स क्वालिफाई नहीं है, एक्चुअली मेनली सभी स्टूडेंट्स ने मिस्टेक की है। तो इसी के लिए हम इसका राउंड 3 लेके आएंगे राइटिंग का, जिसमें हम एक कोई टॉपिक आपको देंगे, इस टॉपिक के ऊपर आपको 100 वर्ड्स लिखने हैं। ओके, सो इस वीडियो को हम यहीं कंप्लीट करते हैं। तो आपको अगर वीडियो अच्छी लगी है तो लाइक कीजिए, कमेंट कीजिए, शेयर कीजिए और चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कीजिए। गुड बाय।